How to connect Spectrum to Roku TV. To connect Spectrum to a Roku TV, follow these steps. First of all, check compatibility. Ensure your Roku device supports the Spectrum TV app. Connect Roku. Attach your Roku to the TV and connect it to the internet. Add Spectrum TV. Go to streaming channels on the Roku home screen. Search for Spectrum TV and select Add Channel. After that, open the app. Launch Spectrum TV from the home screen. Then sign in. Log in with your Spectrum username and password. Finally, start streaming. Enjoy channels and content included in your Spectrum subscription. If issues arise, check your network or account settings, especially if not using Spectrum Internet.